What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mireya and today I'm going to be Freddy Krueger. Today I will be showing you the SFX burns that Freddy has on his face. I'll be going off starting with just a eyebrow pencil so that I can draw out my tracings for the burn on his face. Right now I don't have anything on my face, it's a clean face. I just have cleanser and moisturizer, that's it. Now, I never plan on being anything cute for Halloween. I always want to be scary, bloody, graphic. I want to be able to scare people when they see me. I chose to be Freddy Krueger this year because when I was a kid, that was like the only movie that ever scared me. I would watch a lot of scary movies as a kid, but for some reason, Freddy was like the most creepiest. And I think it's because like he's like an older guy that he goes after little kids. And he goes after you and you sleep. And like, obviously no one likes to have nightmares, so yeah, whenever, the story is based off of him killing you in your dreams, and then after watching Freddy Krueger, then you have dreams of him, and then you're like not really sure if you're gonna wake up dead or not. So that was why I chose Freddy. I think his story as a monster is super cool and just spooky. Okay, so that's what it looks like right now. Now that we have everything marked up, I'm going to go in with the Scar Effects gel. I did put it in hot water just to kind of get the gel a little bit more easier to work with. Ooh, it doesn't smell like anything, but it does feel weird. This stuff is like really easy to work with, and it just sticks to your face. It's not like latex where you have to like keep on applying it until it sticks. I really don't like working with latex, so I'm really glad I found this gel stuff. And right now what I'm doing is I'm applying the gel on the outside of my artwork, of my scars. Okay, I think I messed up. I don't know if I'm supposed to add water, but this shit is getting thickums. Pretty hard to work with when it dries up. So it does dry up quickly. Well, shit. I'm gonna have to probably do it right out the bottle. That's not what I wanted to do, but it looks like that's what we're gonna have to do. So I'm gonna want to put some Vicks on my eyebrows, just so that my eyebrows don't get ripped off. It'll be terrible. Guys, so I'll show you what I bought. This is called the Gel Wound Kit. It did include 3 different types of gel: the Blood Effect gel, the Scar Effect gel, and then this other one is the Flesh Effect gel. Let's try to get some more of this stuff. You want to pick it up. I think picking it up really gives that good effect, like a texture that I'm talking about. So that's good. I like it. Oh, it's coming out pretty good, guys. I'm loving this texture on my face. If you hear the snorting, I swear it's not me. I can breathe right. My dogs can't.
That looks nasty.
Thank you. I look like a fucking burnt candle, bitch. Oh my gosh, I add all kinds of powder to my shirt. So now we're gonna go in with the colors so we can make sure it looks real bloody and sick. Actually, I think I need to add some black to his eyes. Now I want to go in with some concealer and just make sure I add some details. Guys, the look's almost done. Smells delicious. Alright guys, and then we're gonna go in with some eyeliner just to kind of make it like sexy. Duh. Last but not least, the lashes.